You can see the vertical lines in the image and how the image doesn't go all the way to the edge. Now this is the Nameless RC case. They've made a name for themselves in the lightweight case market. PH 000, no 000. All right, so we can see this is the BEC board. That'll do it. Alright, this is the screen that came with my GoPro 10. Let's see what happens if we take one of the other screens. Press it down into here. And we should be able to get some picture again. Oh yeah, that looks great. All the lines are gone. That's beautiful. I'm going to put it in. Alright, so we got our screen back in there now. Now to test out the other two. I found something colorful to use for my test. They both work. And then here's the original screen again. This is what this screen looks like. It's got lines in it. Try to squirt this glue back to where it belongs. And this did a great job just right here. Just butted up against these two little pieces. Oh, you forgot the screw that's down there. You need to take this off again. Alright. There's the screw. And I'm using the German measurement of tightness, the Gutentheit scale, not above Gutentheit. I'm sorry, my German friends, forgive me. Well, the light's out of power. So we had a nasty old screen. We got a nice clean screen. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.